All right, hi, and welcome back to our Emote Twitch series. This time we are just installing and setting up our environment so we can create all our emotes. So go to Node.js /en, and we're going to download the either one should be fine, but we're going to go with 19.61. All right. I already have it installed in my computer, but I think this will just update it, so should be no issues. Right, install security, press yes. You're more than welcome to take like a little break here. All right, finish, we're good there. Then we download Windows 64 version, or depending on your system, of Visual Studio Code at code.visualstudio.com. I've already installed it, so I'm not going to reinstall it. I do have a video on this, so I'll link it to this because I don't want to go through this entire process for Visual Studio Code. But yeah, let's go ahead and bring up the program now. All right. We're going to go to File, Open Folder. We're going to go to Workflow, no, Desktop, Emote. We downloaded our Hashlips Art Engine program folder here, or the program, so from the last video, and then we're just going to select folders, and we are pretty much good now. So everything's almost set up. Go here to extensions, and we're going to install a few things. npm here, install this. I think that's about it. Let's go to, what's it called, index.js. That's fine. Where is the config folder? JSON, src, utils. Oh, here, config. All right, so and then layers. Okay, so there's layers folders, and they already have something there for us, so we're good. We're going to use this as an example to generate a few emotes. I mean, these are NFTs, but we're using it for emotes, which, same thing here, interchangeable. All right, go back to config.js. This is for how many emotes or how many NFTs we want to generate. So we're going to do like 10. If we go back here, this is the rarity, so it's going to show up since there's also only one always. And then these iris, so 20 out of 80, out of 100, and 20 out of 100. So these two are rarer than this. This is going to prominently show up more. Just a quick overview and a formatting of the layers. If I'm going too fast, please let me know. I know you can't interact with me live, but send something in the chat or in the comments, and I'll redo this. Let's see. All right, config. We're here. All right, so our emotes are 112 by 112, right? So we need to change the constant format before we start anything, right? But for this example, it's going to be 512 by 512. But this is what we need to change later on. Everything else looks good. Nothing we have to worry about. If you want to go in more depth, Hashlips has like a lot of nice YouTube videos. You should check them out. All right, so then we're gonna go terminal, new terminal, npm install everything already should be here, but just doing it for you guys. And also just, it's been like a while since I used this program. NPM error. All right, it's not terrible. Let's see. This should be fine. All right, let's see if we can even get this working. What was, so node index.js. If this is working, it'll generate all our stuff. Nope, we get errors, cannot find module 1. All right, let me see what's going on and see if I can fix this. So give me a few minutes. All right, so let's come back. So I did a little troubleshooting. We checked that our version that we just installed was correct. So 19.61, that was fine. Instead of doing npm install, I did npm update. And then I did node index.js, and that did work. I saw my stuff. So let's do that again. All right. It's generating those 10 emotes or NFTs for us. And then if we go to the images from the sample that they give us, it's all working. So yay. And I hope that troubleshooting does help you, because sometimes if like you don't run the program for too long and you try to reinstall it, it doesn't work. You just need to update it. So yeah, see you in the next video where we'll do all our own stuff, and you'll have 3 examples of creating emote twitches in GIMP, Inkscape, and Pixel Edit. So yeah, thanks for listening. Till next time.